Is your check engine light on and you are noticing you are stopping for gas more often because your mileage has dropped? You might be dealing with a P2236 trouble code. This code points to a specific electrical problem in your exhaust system. It means the powertrain control module has detected a short between the signal wire and the heater wire on the downstream oxygen sensor. Specifically, this is for Bank 2 Sensor 3. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and Sensor 3 is located after the catalytic converter. Here is how it works technically. Your oxygen sensor needs to be hot to read the exhaust gases accurately, so it has a built-in heater circuit powered by 12 volts. It also has a zirconium sensing element that sends a low-voltage signal back to the computer to report how rich or lean the fuel mixture is. When this code sets those two internal circuits are shorted together, this is a severe issue because it confuses the computer, leading to a poor running engine. You will likely see a reduction in fuel efficiency, sluggish performance, and potentially misfire codes because the computer cannot adjust the fuel trim correctly. The most common cause is a failed oxygen sensor where the internal insulation has broken down due to age or heat. It can also be caused by wiring that has melted against a hot exhaust pipe or broken connectors that have let water inside. To troubleshoot this, you will need a scan tool and a digital volt ohm meter. First, clear the code and drive to see if it resets immediately. If it does, safely jack up the car and inspect the wiring for that sensor. Look for burns or cuts. If the wiring looks good, the sensor itself is the likely suspect. You can test it with your meter by checking for continuity between the heater pins and the signal pins, but often swapping in a new O2 sensor is the most direct fix. If you replace the sensor and the code persists, you might be looking at a wiring harness issue or a computer fault, which is when you should consult a professional mechanic. Take care of this one quickly to save your catalytic converter and your gas money. Drive safe.